Understanding road signs is the foundation of passing your DMV permit test. Learn these 40 essential US signs and pass with ease. Let's begin. Name this road sign. Nicely done. This sign alerts drivers to an upcoming stop sign. Guess this traffic sign. Well spotted. This is the traffic light ahead sign. Identify this road sign. Exactly. This is the railroad crossing crossbook. This traffic sign is nicely recognized. This sign alerts drivers to a school zone in the area. What is this road sign? Good observation. This is the divided highway end sign. Guess this road sign. Exactly. This is the no pedestrians crossing sign. Identify this traffic sign. Great! This is the turn left sign. This road sign is well spotted. This sign alerts drivers of an upcoming railroad crossing. Guess this traffic sign. Nicely done. This sign alerts drivers that the road gets narrower. Identify this road sign. Exactly. This sign symbolizes a designated parking area sign. What is this traffic sign? Good observation. This is the tow-away zone sign. Guess this road sign. Well recognized. This is the speed limit ahead sign. This traffic sign is exactly. This is the one-way left sign. Identify this traffic sign. Nicely done. This is the right turn only sign. Guess this road sign. Well spotted. This is the hill bike sign. This road sign is exactly. This sign prohibits trucks on this road. Identify this traffic sign. Great! This sign warns drivers of falling rocks. Guess this traffic sign. Nicely recognized. This is the reverse curve right sign. What is this road sign? Well spotted. This is the no snowmobile sign. Identify this road sign. Nicely done. This is the right shoulder drop-off ahead. Guess this road sign. Exactly. This is the offset side road sign. This traffic sign is? Good observation. This is the vehicle ferry terminal sign. What is this traffic sign? Nicely recognized. This is the farm vehicle sign. Identify this traffic sign. Great! This is the equestrian sign. Guess this road sign. Well spotted. This is the diesel fuel sign. This road sign is? Exactly. This is the local bicycle route sign. Identify this traffic sign. Nicely done. This is the one-way left sign. Guess this traffic sign. Good observation. This is the state route marker sign. This traffic sign is? Exactly. This is the traffic merging from right sign. What is this road sign? Nicely recognized. This is the low ground clearance crossing sign. Identify this road sign. Well spotted. This is the truck route sign. Guess this road sign. Nicely done. This is the lane ends merge right sign. This road sign is? Perfect. This is the chevron left sign. Identify this traffic sign. Exactly. This is the straight through and left turn sign. Guess this road sign. Well observed. This is the bike lane sign. What is this traffic sign? Nicely recognized. This is the exit speed sign. This traffic sign is? Great. This is the do not pass stopped train sign. Guess this road sign. Well spotted. This is the exit gore, no exit number sign. Identify this road sign. Nicely done. This is the turn right sign. Guess this traffic sign. Exactly. This is the added left lane sign. Great job completing this session. If you want more DMV test prep, driving tips, and road sign tutorials, make sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell. Keep up the momentum with the videos on your screen. See you in the next session.